What's going on, y'all? This is Josh with Drive the Coast. We are looking at an absolutely stunning 1951 Chevrolet 3100 short wheelbase pick 'em up truck. We're live from Destin, Florida, here in the Panhandle, and we're just gonna do a little walk around video of this beauty truck. Beautiful truck here. Chrome is absolutely perfect on the front here. You can just see the sun reflecting off of it. Perfect reflection. You got a little bit of metallic in this turquoise paint here, so it's really shining nice in the sun. See if we can get a nice excuse me, close up there. You can see that paint is just laser straight all the way around the truck. You get a nice reflection of whatever you're looking at here. I'll give you a thumbs up. Anyway, that metallic really looks nice in the sun. You got nice white wall tires set off by fire engine red rims. You got super nice running boards there. Wood bed in the back. Gas tank has been relocated. As you can see there, that's the cap. Interior is just as clean as the outside. Steering wheel's not even cracked at all. Excuse me, still got the starter on the floor there, as it should. 3-speed on the column. All the headliner and everything looks brand new. Door panels brand new. Over here. That's all just super clean. Factory bench seat. Still got the heater box there. Yeah, it's just as pretty as the outside. Split window, obviously. Fender wells are really nice. Tailgate's nice. A couple little chips on the tailgate there. Back bumper looks brand new. Even the rolls on the bed. Really no dents or anything to speak of. It's really nice back here. See that nice reflection in the paint there. Door handle looks beautiful. Chrome's very nice there. Logos are nice. This is the kind of truck you're looking for. Look at that. Let's pop the hood here. Actually, I'll start it up and then we'll pop the hood. Nice clear gauges. So the previous owner told me that the motor had been completely rebuilt under his ownership. Brand new fuel pump actually was just put on there. Brand new Weber carburetor. Ruger horn. It's running like a sewing machine. How y'all doing? Good. This is a 51. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we're just putting it up for sale here.
Can you do it?
No, sir.